Hey guys, and welcome to Riverside. Today is a very, very special day. It is 20 years of Riverside. Today it's Riverside's birthday. Oh, and what a 20 years it's been. 20 years of design, 20 years of innovation, 20 years of creating citizen leaders, 20 years of citizenship, 20 years of persistence, 20 years of having fun, and 20 years of saying I can. Thank you so much for logging in today. Today's event is very special because we are going to take a trip down memory lane and show you all the memories that we have cherished and experienced and loved. A big thank you to everyone to be a part of this, and let's go all the way back to 2001 and show you how our school has grown and also show you how we've grown with it.
So, 20 years of Riverside. Congratulations, Riverside. 20 years. And Rag, who did it start because of?
Because of me. You're welcome, Riverside. I know it's been 20 years, but it wouldn't have been possible without me, quite frankly.
And I kept telling Kiran, do section karo. It will be financially so much profitable. But she never agreed. She said it will dilute the excellence of the whole program, of the whole idea. Thank God she did not listen to me.
2002ની અંદર પ્રથમ બસ નોન એસીની આવી હતી. એ પછી અત્યારે હાલમાં 9 બસો છે. ટોટલી બસો બધી એસીવાળી છે. અમારા ટાઈમમાં જે છોકરાઓ આગળ નીકળી ગયા ભણીને 12મું વધી ગયા પછી બી સ્કૂલે આવ્યા તો બી હેમંતભાઈ કરીને તરત અમને સામેથી બોલાવે છે કેમ છો કેમ નહીં. પ્લસ પીકેના છોકરા જ્યારે સવારે અર્લી મોર્નિંગ આવે ગુડ મોર્નિંગ એ બધું બોલે છે. Thank you, Riverside.
Riverside has truly brought rays of hope to education, rays of saying I can. So now, let's hear it from the Ray herself, founder, director and in-house magician, Kiran Veer Sethi.
Riverside 2021. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, I'm Howard Gardner, a research professor at the Harvard Graduate School of Education and a friend of the Riverside School. It's a pleasure to salute the Riverside School on the occasion of your 20th year. Over the decades, as a teacher and scholar, I've visited many schools in many countries. I can say without hesitation that the Riverside School stands out. In fact, it's outstanding in terms of its philosophy, its faculty, its facilities, its family, and most importantly, its students.
I remember when I started in 2001, the earthquake came with me. And the very first day that we were going to start the school, the biggest earthquake hit. Maybe it was a message. Maybe it was a message that we all had to make an earth-shaking story. Thank you to the idea of Design for Change that started right here at Riverside and then went across the world to all of you amazing partners who've chosen to make it your story.
I can and you can, together we can be the change in the world.
Happy 20 years. Wow. wow, what a milestone. I still remember all the teachers and all the wonderful memories and all the wonderful, inspiring atmospheres. And I hope Riverside can continue for as long as possible because it's such an educational paradise. It's where the magic happens.
Thank you to every mind and every person that has believed.
I think that you do something unbelievable in these 20 years. You begin as a small school in India, and today you are a huge global movement.
I wanted to reach out with a message of love and gratitude to the entire Riverside community. Your approach to fostering students' leadership and to preparing them to shape a better future has impacted so many lives, the lives of your own students and their families and communities, and also the lives of so many educators and students and families and communities all over the world, across the Teach for All network and far beyond. So I just want to thank you for your pioneering approach and for your generosity in sharing.
Thank you to Approach, the team at Approach that takes the initiative to the city.
You slowly growing into becoming one of the finest education institutions, not just in India, but across the world. And the reason for this is actually quite simple. Yes, you teach your students to be excellent at academics, to be diligent, to be hardworking, to use their brains. But you also have a massive emphasis on extracurriculars so that children can have a well-rounded personality.
Thank you to RLC for taking the I Can School across the world.
I don't need to tell you what a passionate, inspiring person Kiran is. I think anyone who has met her knows that. But I do think the message that Riverside carries is an important one that deserves to be told, shared, and repeated, especially in China, where our culture values individual success and family unit above all else.
Oh, my team, where do I start? I mean, what makes you come every single day? But thank you. This cannot happen without every single one of you. Whether it was my first crazy five that started to the now, my crazy champions and school leaders and Deepa, really a big joy and blessing to you. All my champions who are continuing to come every single day, my crazy, amazing, creative team, all of you. God bless you all to bring your joy and your contagion spirit to every one of the children.
Riverside today actually is a culmination of a dream. And, obviously there is a dreamer. There's a dreamer who starts the dream, but that dream finally gets accomplished by a whole team behind the person who dreamed.
It has been such a joy to have all of your children walk this place with us and to be partners in this journey. So thank you to all the mad maverick parents. Thank you to every person on this space that plants the seeds, whether it is a support team, whether it is all my wonderful, wonderful bus drivers who bring our children safely to school every single day. Thank you for taking Riverside to the world now, all my alumni. You guys are amazing. I have to take this moment again to thank my crazy family, my own person. And my son and my daughter and my husband and my family who just said, go, be crazy. And never once said, don't do. They said, just go be. And it doesn't happen without that support. You have to have that amazing safety net that allows you to be this. So thank you to Jazz and Rag and Geet to be the kind of family that everybody needs. I wish this for every one of us and every one of you. This is what Riverside is. It isn't a school, it's an idea. So once again, thank you all.
In 2003, the year when I actually first came to this campus, it was a beautiful experience because I had come for my son and I came to the school and I was just asking, "Bhaiya, school kahan hai ye Riverside School?" And I was standing in the school, but the campus is so beautiful, it doesn't look like a school. फिर बताया गया कि यही स्कूल है, this is the beautiful place जहाँ बच्चे पढ़ेंगे, पढ़ रहे हैं. That was the time I decided मेरा बच्चा पढ़ेगा तो यहीं पढ़ेगा.
पहले मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के कि ये बहुत अच्छा कैंपस है और स्कूल है. फिर जब मैं जॉब पे आई तो तब मुझे बहुत शर्म आती थी, मैं लोगों से बात नहीं करती थी, हिचकिचाती थी. लेकिन यहाँ पे सब सपोर्ट की वजह से, बच्चों का सपोर्ट है, टीचर्स का सपोर्ट है, सबके सपोर्ट की वजह से आज मैं कंप्यूटर कर सकती हूँ. एडमिन स्टाफ में असिस्टेंट हूँ रितु मैम की, थोड़े बहुत डिसीजन भी ले सकती हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. थैंक यू.
Happy birthday Riverside.
2004, what a great year it was. We had Kiran ma'am and Nandini ma'am go to Harvard University to learn all about the MI theory. We also kicked off Making Learning Visible, a program that showcases all the work the students have done in school to their parents in order to keep them within the loop. And lastly, because of all the thought that went into designing Riverside and the campus itself, the school brought home the Best School Design Award that year.
We all know that over the last 20 years, Riverside has had a huge impact across the globe. And today we've got some special messages from well-wishers from across the world to wish Riverside a very happy birthday. So take it away.
Your approach to fostering students' leadership and to preparing them to shape a better future has impacted so many lives, the lives of your own students and their families and communities, and also the lives of so many educators and students and families and communities all over the world. Happy 20 years to the entire Riverside family.
I can say without hesitation that the Riverside School stands out. In fact, it's outstanding in terms of its philosophy, its faculty, its facilities, its family, and most importantly, its students, and wish you many more remarkable decades of good education.
Riverside is an apt demonstration that you can design a school system that achieves academic excellence and puts the needs and well-being of each student at the heart of its education. A system that elevates ethics and empathy and sets them alongside excellence as critical components of a good all-round education.
Kiran, did I hear, is it 20 years or 200 years? The work that you have done is immense in this sector of education. Wishing Kiran, Geet and entire Riverside family joyful 20-year celebration and many best wishes from Education World family and fraternity.
Brilliance of Riverside for us are two things. First, it brings awareness that we have a duty towards society. Second, it demands action. Now, I want to take this opportunity to thank Karen and the Riverside team and to congratulate all of you for making such a positive difference to the world. Happy 20 years to the entire Riverside family.
Wish you all many more years of incredible work as Riverside continues to flourish not just in India but around the world.
We need your innovation in education, your inspiration to make the world a better world. We need your generation, your new generation, to do a better job than we have done.
I have seen this little school in Ahmedabad dig deep in fostering excellence in its students, but not in a unidimensional way, but in a holistic manner. To truly make them great, well-adjusted citizens of the world, capable of not just helping themselves, but those around them, and trying to heal this broken planet.
When I hear the name Riverside, immediately it's come to me your big message, the message of I can. So thank you that you give me and all the people around the world this big hope. So happy 20 years to entire Riverside community.
Nada hay más bello que ver la vida desde los otros, empatizando y compadeciéndose de los demás, mejorando las relaciones entre las personas y con la casa donde habitamos, creando una red mundial de niños y niñas que trabajan juntos por hacer un mundo más humano, más fraterno, más solidario y sostenible.
I've never met anybody who attended your school who didn't come back and say it was wonderful. I hope to have the pleasure of coming there sooner rather than later. And I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I wish you not just 21 more years, but 121 or 1,021 more years. Thank you for all the work that you've done to empower kids.
You know, I've been to your school a couple of times, and once I saw her in a gathering where there were hundreds of students out there. She put two fingers in her mouth and whistled to draw their attention. I've not seen this in any other school. I believe she stands at the gates in the morning and hugs every student who walks in. Not done. Never seen in any school. Honestly speaking, I feel I should have been born a little late in life, so I could have been in a school like Riverside.
So 2005, a year full of memories and happenings. So we had our Tom sir who came and we did the artist in residence with him. We shifted into the new Key Stage building, and one memory that I remember is this child right experience. So to give the students the experience, I myself as a teacher had to go and experience this so that we could give the most authentic experience to our students. And of course, you can see the new building, our miso sticks were up, and continue to have these happy happenings ahead.
2006 is where the journey began. I'm Sheetal Shah, part of Sharda Trust, the CSR wing for Arvind Limited. A team of 31 teachers joined the Riverside certification program, now called as RLC, Riverside Learning Center. Our key takeaways from the program, the 2 years teacher training program, have been that the teachers have developed their presentation skills, they have been polished. Their individual capacities are really surfaced now. There's some very good work that is seen back in Sharda centers. A very happy birthday to Riverside.
2007 is the beginning of my journey with Riverside School. This year, Riverside initiated a big idea called a protagonist in every child. This is not just for 2007 that only street smart happened. There was 300 underprivileged children got a chance to fly with in a flight of fantasy. Children leave a legacy in the city. The partnership with Akshay Patra continues, artist in residence continues, teacher training started, moving experience happens, and for me it's very memorable because this is where my journey started with Approach, and I have grown with this idea so much over the years. Happy birthday Riverside, I can, you can, we can.
We've always believed that the strongest partnership at Riverside has been the parent partnership. Parents who believe in the Riverside philosophy and send their children every day with trust and faith. So now let's hear it from the parents.
220 or 200 years of Riverside.
At least you are going to be fantastic.
Yes. I I should just have another baby so that I can be with Riverside for many more years to come. Thank you.
Journey. If I had more children, believe me, all of them would have gone to Riverside.
Riverside is the epitome of quality education with the perfect blending of love, respect and integrity.
Growing from this small little place to a place creating opportunities for thousands of kids all over the world through its DFC or any other campaign. So Riverside is not a school. It's a place of opportunities, growth and exploration.
Amazing how everyone's aligned towards the central idea about a child's wellness and growth.
Gratitude towards the nature for giving us such a beautiful thing. That is Riverside.
I find it so difficult to handle just 2 leaders at home. I wonder how the teachers manage an entire class full of them.
Oh yeah. First parents of the Riverside, and very proudly so. While we are celebrating 20 years, somebody is already thinking how next 20 years is going to look like. That's Kiran, Riverside and team for us.
Because every single person at Riverside actually cares about our child. I think that's your success, that's your legacy, Kiran. And I wish you the best for the next 20 years. And I hope to see this as an institution that outlives, to see 100 years celebration for Riverside.
Happy 20th to you.
2008, what an eventful year. The identity curriculum. We partnered with the D School in Stanford, where it was a project where we learned that we are way more than our marks. But the event that I remember the most was Teeskadam. It was a student-led initiative where we believe that if each student is given 30 hours of individual attention, he can excel in whatever field he wants. And I remember this mainly because I used to go there every week, spend time with the kids and learn a lot from them as well. So yeah, 2008 was a great year and I'm always going to remember it.
And then came 2009. I would like to believe this was like a milestone year for Riverside. Why? 3 very important things. 1, we shifted into the Key Stage 3 building. Ta-da! And a great thank you to our architect Satish Madiwala. Marvelous spaces. The second, I got to meet my hero, Dr. Howard Gardner, my superhero, so I got to meet him. And of course the third, Design for Change, which we launched in 2009 and flooded the world with the I Can superpower. I'm eternally grateful to TED for the opportunity and to all my partners who finally joined the Design for Change family.
Riverside family! Wow, has it really been 20 years? Congratulations! You should be very proud of your journey and all the ups and downs and the twists and the turns. Kiran, thank you for being our fearless and visionary leader who taught us and continues to show us what good education should look like, could look like, and does look like at the Riverside School. Here's to 20 years of the Riverside School and to 20 more years and what lies beyond that. We are so excited to be on this journey with you.
You've shown the world that it is possible to create a school experience that can be both rigorous and fun and can nurture children for a better world. Thank you for your inspiration. Happy 20 years to the entire Riverside family, and here's to the next 20.
The nest from which Design for Change hatched and started flying. I feel there's a deep connection between Design for Change and the Riverside. I want to applaud you, celebrate with you, send you my best wishes for what is yet to come.
Hi, if you ever visit Gujarat, do visit these 2 ashrams. One is Gandhi Ashram for its history and the powerful work Gandhi did, and Riverside Schools for its present work in education. So here is to all the teachers and Kiran on the 20th anniversary of Riverside School. And I think it's not just in numbers of years, it's the magnitude of influence you've had in many countries. So here is with lots of love from me and my team from Design for Change Singapore.
20 years, my God! And each day, you've just created magic. To me, of course, the most magical formula that you have created and gifted to the entire world is Design for Change. Of course, I'm biased like that. Riverside is not a school. Riverside is not an institution. So here's wishing the entire Riverside family a happy 20th. And here's a big Jadoo ki Jappi.
Congratulations, Riverside School. Who were going to tell you 20 years ago when Kiran and the small team started that you were going to become a reference in education? That thousands of schools all over the world were going to try to imitate you when they have to tell the people how education has to be and to put an example of how to work, they talk about Riverside. You are our alma mater and we want to thank you for your good work for these 20 years. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
It's 2010, Riverside has completed a decade of existence and I have been here since the very beginning. And Riverside is not only making waves in Hansol, Ahmedabad or even Gujarat, it has gone all over India and now even all over the world. But what I love about Riverside is no matter how big it becomes, how many cities, how many places it reaches, how many lives it touches, some of the smaller things don't change. For me, that memory was things like these smaller conglomerates, these smaller spaces that we had to each other, where we could discuss about our personal feelings, about the places that we want to go to, about the things that we want to talk about the things that we want to do. And it is that freedom that I loved about Riverside more than anything else.
Before coming to Riverside, I was really naughty, but now I'm naughty plus responsible. And now I can take all the responsibilities and, understand things in a better way. Happy birthday, Riverside!
2011. What an exciting year. We had the business challenge. Grade 11 came up with and conceptualized an ice cream for Hamore and it was launched all across India and it had great sales. Apart from that, something that changed me was HEAL. It brought an empathy in me. The HEAL initiative that was started by students of Riverside and in which we went to the cancer hospital and we distracted the kids for 2 hours. We played different games, we had different activities and I was so inspired by that and I had so many aha moments that I continued being part of HEAL for the next 4 years. And it was always joy to get in more and more people to be part of that event. So that was one thing that changed me. I'd like to wish Riverside a happy birthday. Thank you.
It's been so heartwarming to see the journey so far. So now let's hear from those who live and experience Riverside every day, our primary stakeholders, our students.
Even though I have spent 2 years here, I think I'll have probably 20 years worth of things to remember at Riverside. The point of going to a school or point of learning is how to overcome the shortcomings or challenging. So self-awareness is absolutely integral to learning. So Riverside of course has plenty of things to make sure that you are self-aware enough so that you can have organic and proper and appropriate growth.
The relationship which you have with right from the place to the teachers to the students, so the relationship I have with this whole place, then it would be the opportunities and the exposures which I got, by which I am what I am today. And the third thing would be, this place is just magical, like the fun learnings which we have and the freedom and the choice which you get.
Riverside has given me firstly a lot of confidence and a lot of opportunities to believe in myself firstly, and then it helped me to take more decisions on my own, to be more independent. An ICANN mindset for me is to not give up. For me it's to be out there and grab as many opportunities as possible.
I guess it really helped me realize the importance of gratitude in your life.
and it really helped me understand the small things that matter in your life and noticing life as an opportunity to grow. So that really changed my mindset. So the I Can mindset is just believing in yourself, believing in your capabilities, not listening to the voices that put you down, but trusting your instincts.
It just helps you find yourself, your tribe, and what you want from your life and what priorities you want. We had our I Can talks, and it was really about finding yourself, what you want from life. Is it just a hobby or you're actually passionate about? So what main thing Riverside has given me is an identity and what I know and what people see me as.
Riverside made me a more reflective person. So thinking about my own actions and how it affects the people around me, how my small actions are impacting others, but also of how everything we do in some way creates a small impact in someone else's life and in our own life, even coincidentally. And that whole idea of we are all sort of interconnected in a very weird manner I sort of learned that here at Riverside. It's okay to be intimidated, but it's not okay to give up. Like, you need to face the challenge, and bit by bit, you will pick at it and it'll become smaller and more manageable.
I am well aware about myself now because I think leadership is something I learned about myself throughout the years in Riverside because of the school team, and not just getting feedback from the coaches but also from the alumni who have come and helped out in the coaching sessions which are apart from the morning sports. So I think leadership, and I've seen that grow in me throughout the years at Riverside.
Basically, the people that you're surrounded with will definitely have an impact on you. It's not really a debate at this point. I think the people that I have been surrounded by these past 6 years that I've been in Riverside has been an amazing decision, forming our own communities in Riverside as a whole. It's been a great way for me to pick my people in a way that really helps me grow, and all of them come to make me a better person than I am today.
...2012 was a year of many highlights. One of the fond memories I had of Key Stage 1 was the jewellery unit. We made products in 10 days and had an exhibition held in Rajpath Club. The takeaway I learned from this process was that you should think about the users.
In 2009, being a Teach for India Fellow, I worked with second graders. How the education can be a great service to the nation, wherein we plant seeds in the children, which then flourishes in contributing back to the community and the society. And a decade later, my daughter Maitri got into Riverside, and I'm really looking forward for next decade or more and wishing Riverside a very happy birthday.
2013, that's the time this first batch graduated from the school.
Since we're parents of the first batch graduating and the latest one, that's graduation 2020, where my other son just graduated, so I see the same kind of principles and values that the school has of compassion, character, content, and the fact that they just loved coming to school. So all the best.
The year 2014, it was the year of many firsts. I remember that for the first time, we got our organized college counseling cell. The other thing that I definitely remember is the marathon that we went together as a team. We all went to Mumbai. We ran the marathon, yes we did. And the third thing I definitely remember is about the persistence board meeting that started in this year. It had been almost 4 years, I think 4 or 5 years of persistence that had happened. Whether we are on the right path, should we do something to refine our community service idea, and therefore we had Mr. Gagan Sethi and Dr. Chatterjee come in and start off this fantastic idea of the Persistence Board meeting.
My favorite moment of 2014 has to be the Be the Change conference, where my class, grade 7, organized games, organized the entire conference. Thank you for these experiences and happy birthday Riverside!
2015 was a very eventful year for us at Design for Change because Amitabh Bachchan endorsed Design for Change and he had invited Kiran to come over for the show, what was that, Aaj Ki Raat Hai Zindagi, which is one of the TV shows. And imagine Gulzar Saab writing a song for Design for Change. That was, I think, an awesome year, right?
Yeah.
Yes?
What I remember most about 2015 was the surplus board. We decided that when we see somebody adding value and doing good, that we would appreciate them by writing it down in a little chit and then posting it on the board. And I think at the end of every month, everybody got their chit, and I felt so happy when I got a lot of surplus chits. Thank you, Riverside, and happy birthday.
2016 had been a great year for everybody, not only the Butterfly Garden, but so many events happened. If you look at over here, it's the Be the Change conference that happened in China. We had children traveling to Bhutan and had a wonderful time. There was a great, Key Stage 3 students have their whole initiative of persistence and they did a wonderful job about earning their abused t-shirts. A wonderful artist in residence where we had Rishikesh Pawar who came up with a wonderful performance. So a great year of growth. The children just enjoyed learning, not only cognitively, but with their hearts.
One of the biggest pillars of support of Riverside has always been its amazing teacher team. So now let's hear it from our Key Stage champions and hear their experiences of the last 20 years.
Let me tell you some secrets about my champions. Well, of course, we've got a lot of the parents and children and etc. talking about them, but listen to me. Okay. Let me talk about the first one, Hetal. You know, I have to say, Hetal came to me probably around 17 years ago. And she would not even look up, shy, quiet. She would only be looking down and, you know, not even looking up. And today, Hetal, as a champion, and she's been now a champion for a couple of years for Key Stage 2, is amazing. And really, the ability to find her voice, to find her capabilities and competency. So I think it's been such an amazing, amazing story of change for my Hetal.
This place has allowed me to become more confident. I've seen my growth, okay? I did not know anything about computers, which I'm really techno-savvy right now. The other thing, I've become more independent in terms of everything. First of all, I'd never traveled earlier, but this place allowed me to travel abroad as well. So now I've become very independent in that way as well.
Hi Hetal ma'am. My children started their journey at Riverside in your class, and that really is one of the best things that could have happened to them. Each time we've met you, you radiate so much warmth and energy and generosity that it's always an uplifting experience.
Okay, number 2, who do we have? My Preeti. You know, like a surgeon, you're performing some surgery and you put your hand out, okay? What happens? You have these crazy people who know exactly what you want and they put exactly the right scalpel, etc. in your hand. Preeti is that. Without anything, she will know. The other hand out, it will be a hug that will be given because you need to feel a little better, or she will be the first one who will say, "Good morning," and the whole day lights up. So that is my Preeti again.
One thing what I've learned from Riverside in these years is that there are lots of things that we do, you know, in school, but one, that to work from moral authority. So when you do it is that when you can take people accountable. Kind of, you just don't give instructions that do this and do that, but you live. So that's what is very close to my heart and I believe in it.
She's always been a good sounding board and listens to me whenever I need advice. I can safely say that she's one of the reasons my experience here at Riverside has been so smooth and awesome.
my Monisha. Okay. For the longest time, I kept calling her Moshmi or Manisha. And the reason I want to tell you this is because she was so quiet. Okay, she would sit in the library and she'll be doing the documentation in the library. She would not even correct me to say Moshmi or Manisha. I am Monisha. And today, you can't keep her quiet. She is total drama buzz. And I have not seen a more loyal, more ethical person. I mean, she will do what is right no matter who is in front. She will say, Agar I felt it, I will do it. And that has been this girl's amazing, amazing transformation as well.
Riverside has given me opportunities to not only grow professionally but personally. Right from meeting best minds of the world to the experiences every single day. I'll say I've become a confident, fearless and a reflective person.
Monisha ma'am, she is a very different personality. She makes these tense moments lighter by adding her spice of drama. She speaks straight from her heart and is never biased. And she is a huge support to the team.
Then of course, Archana. What do I tell you about Archana? For the first, I think, entire year, she kept crying and said, I want to leave, I want to leave. I am so glad she stayed. Not only did she stay, she has lifted the Key Stage 1 into another level. She is so full of her presence. Anything you give Archana, it will be done.
I would like to thank Riverside for making this wonderful place on this earth, for transforming our lives both professionally and personally. And yes, we are looking forward for the next 20 years to have great experience with Riverside 2.0. So we are ready for it.
You are very patient with us all the time and have the perfect solution for all the queries we have. You always encourage us to bring out the best in us. And as we all know, Gurus are equivalent to Almighty. I am truly grateful to have you as my Guru.
What do I say about my Ichha, the newest entrant into the Champions League? This girl is one of those combination of proactiveness, finding something by herself, making sure she will do it first. Like in the whole idea of moral authority, she will first do it. She will spend the extra hours, she will find out that huge new app that needs to be done. She will try it by herself on this online. Come excited to share about it. I am really glad she took it on, and today, what an amazing change that has happened in Key Stage 2.
I have become much confident now of my own self and my work, my ideas, I enjoy the process of learning now. So that's the change I would say that I have seen in my own self. Yeah, so it's a beautiful process of learning that I have learned at Riverside.
जैसे अपने हिंदी में बोलते हैं, बढ़ने की चाहत होनी चाहिए, the इच्छा factor. That is where our Ichha ma'am comes into play. She becomes the wind below their wings and makes them fly higher and higher.
And finally, have to say about my Deepa. It has been such a fantastic companionship for me personally to be able to find an ally of such worth, such capabilities, such curiosity, and such ability now, of course, to do the multitasking. Deepa, of course, has been at a leadership position for a while now, but today, I have to say, the biggest gift, the biggest endorsement, the biggest validation is I don't even have to worry and get into Riverside. I've been able to step out because Deepa has stepped in.
Thank you for being the leader who really believe in us, and I'm extremely grateful for the trust you have in us. Thank you so much.
Deepa ma'am has been one person who's always been invested in children at Riverside, no matter what age, what key stage. She's always available. Deepa ma'am, thank you so much from all of us, and here's wishing all of you once again a very happy Founders Day.
I joined Riverside in the year 2006, so it's been wonderful 15 years with Riverside, and they've been the most meaningful, purposeful, fulfilling years of my life. I've forged friendships of a lifetime. I've been inspired by the best minds in the world, and I'm thankful and grateful that I've even been mentored by one. Riverside for me is really a masterpiece, a one of its kind, exquisite, beautiful, where varied colors come together to form that perfect harmony and create this beautiful picture where the one and only sole purpose and the purity of intent is that of creating humane citizens for the world.
From all of us at Riverside, from the parents, from the children, from the team, to all of you champions, God bless you all. You are genuinely the Avengers, the League of Superhero Champions.
"2017, what an amazing year at Riverside. Though I graduated in 2013, I came back in 2017 and we had some amazing artist in residence productions. One of my favorite processes at Riverside has been AIR, and this time I came back as an artist. Of course, all the amazing things at Riverside continued. Citizenship with Akshay Patra happening. We had the ICANN cards that the Key Stage 1 kids made. DFC grew in size, and of course, we got a lot more recognition for the work we were doing. 2017 was an amazing year at Riverside.
2018 was an year of many achievements and awards. Taiwan hosted a BTC conference, as well as Riverside won several awards in education and in design.
2018 has been a key highlight for me since the boys and girls football team both won championships at a city level and further represented our school and city at a state level. Happy birthday.
Happy anniversary. Unfortunately, we only met, Slash only met Riverside 2 years ago, but you must know that these 2 years have been incredible. Wherever we go, we became ambassadors of Riverside. We're very happy to be part of the family now and very proud of representing Riverside wherever we go.
What a year 2019 was for all of us. It started off with Kiran winning the Earth Prize, she speaking at United Nations, then Amit sir being recognized for being an excellent math teacher in Australia, and of course the icing on the cake, the cherry on the cake was the Grand Congregation for DFC Global in Rome. And this is one memory that is going to stay on with us forever and ever. Happy birthday, Riverside! God bless our family always and forever. Love you all.
And then came 2020, and everything that we had learned for all these years about relationships, about community, about the idea of just our hugs and our jappies, etc. Everything went ulta. One would have thought, my God, how would Riverside continue to give its magic when we had to do suddenly everything interface and not face to face? But I have to say, my team, rockstar team. You can't have a better group of people that came together and accepted the challenge. As I keep giving to my bachas, the challenge. So the Riverside team came together and converted this whole magic online. And I think it just brought us even more closer, even more committed to the idea of putting the heart always at the start of the journey rather than just the mind. And I have to say that this, of course, could not have happened without all the parents. So for all of you, a big shout out. So I thank you so much for supporting the team, telling us you believed, showing your appreciation to every single member that worked relentlessly over the last year to make Riverside happen. So that when we entered our 20th year, we were entering it with our heads held high, with our hearts bursting with pride, and always remembering that we were only better together.
So guys, that was our 20th birthday. 20 years of Riverside. Thank you to all the parents, the students, the teachers, and everyone who has wished us happy birthday today. Hope you've enjoyed the celebrations. But picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Because of all the messages we got and because of so many people reaching out, we are going to be celebrating our birthday all month. So stay tuned on our Facebook page and our Instagram page and celebrate our birthday every day. Thank you all and happy birthday, Riverside!